Hello friends, welcome back to Agri Exam. In this video, we will discuss some of the important memory based questions of IBPS AFO of the year 2018-19. So without any delay, let's start this video. Question number first, the scheme ENAM, it was launched in which year? The options are 2016, 2010, 2015, 2017 and 2014. And the scheme ENAM, it was launched in the year that is 2016. Next, question number second, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana. It was launched in which year? The options are 2000, 2010, 2016, 2012 and 2014. And the correct answer it is 2016. In this year, the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana it was launched. Question number third, what is the MSP of wheat for the cropping year 2017-18? The options are 1500 per quintal, 2000 per quintal, 1735 per quintal, 1900 per quintal and the last option is none of these. The correct answer it is 17,035 per quintal. It was the MSP of wheat for the cropping year 2017-18. Question number 4. What is the MSP of paddy in the year 2018-19? The options are 1200 per quintal, 2500 per quintal, 3000 per quintal, 1750 per quintal and the last option is 1800 per quintal. And the correct answer it is 1750 per quintal. It was the MSP of wheat in 2018-19. Question number 5. What is the premium rate for all the commercial and horticultural crops under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana? The options are 2%, 9%, 7%, 5% and 15%. And the correct answer it is option D. 5% it is the premium rate for all the commercial and horticultural crops under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana. Question number 6. What is the uniform premium rate for all the Rabi crops as per Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana? The options are 4%, 5.5%, 6.5%, 200% and 150%. The correct answer it is 150%. It is the uniform premium rate for all the Rabi crops as per Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana. Question number 7. In Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana, what is the uniform premium rate for all the oilseeds crop? The options are 2%, 9%, 5%, 1.5% and none of these. The correct option it is last, that is none of these. Question number 8. Bank loans, the maximum limit for building the social infrastructure as per the Reserve Bank of India. The options are 1 crore, 3 crore, 5 crore, 8 crore and 10 crore. The correct answer it is 5 crore. It is the maximum limit of bank loans for building a social infrastructure as per the Reserve Bank of India. Question number 9. In Blue Revolution, the scheme by the government delect what percent subsidy limit of fish culture? The options are 10%, 30%, 40%, 60% and 80%. The correct option it is option C, 40%. It was the scheme by the government delect in Blue Revolution. Question number 10. According to NABARD, optimal number of graftable scion from each plant after 4 years. The options are 12 plants, 20, 25, 33 and the last option it is 45. The correct answer it is 25. According to NABARD, the optimum number that is 25 graftable scion we can have in each plant after 4 years. Question number 11. Highest banana export it is highest to which of the following countries? The options are USA, China, Brazil, Australia and Saudi Arabia. The correct answer, it is Saudi Arabia. The bananas export, it is highest to Saudi Arabia. Question number 12. Which is low to medium sensitive crop to water shortage? The options are cotton, wheat, maize, sorghum, and the last option is none of these. The correct answer, it is cotton. It is the crop which is low to medium sensitive to water shortage. Question number 13. Young leaves that turn into chlorotic and stalk short due to which of the following nutrients deficiency? The options are iron, zinc, copper, oxygen, manganese. The correct answer, it is iron. The young leaves that turn into chlorotic and short stalk due to the deficiency of iron nutrient. Question number 14. Which of the following doesn't supply nitrogen? The options are Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Azospirillum, Trichoderma viride, and the last option is all of these. The correct answer, it is Trichoderma viride. It does not supply the nitrogen. Question number 15. What is the pH value for acidic soil? The options are greater than 5.5, less than 5.5, 7, greater than 7, and 8 to 8.5. The pH value for acidic soil, it is less than 5.5. Option B, it is the correct answer. Next question, question number 16. Number of markets covered ENAM till date, means under ENAM the number of markets covered are. The options are 400, 300, 1000, 2000, 500 to 600. The number of markets covered under ENAM till date, it is 1000 markets. Question number 17. The propagation method for cashew nut crop. The options are Guti, H budding, T budding, softwood grafting, and all of these. The propagation method for cashew nut crop, it is softwood grafting. Question number 18. Which of the following crop irrigation critical stage, it is CRI, that is crown root initiation, tillering, and booting? The options are wheat, moong, lentil, gram, and soybean. Correct answer, it is wheat. In wheat crop, the irrigation critical stage, it is crown root initiation, tillering, and booting stage. Question number 19. Which of the following state have highest area of alkali soil? The options are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, and Telangana. The correct answer, it is UP. It is the state which have the highest area of alkali soil. Question number 20. Which of the following crop critical irrigation stage, it is flowering, peck penetration, and pod development? The options are sorghum, wheat, groundnut, lentil, gram. The correct answer, it is option C, groundnut, Arachis hypogaea. The critical irrigation stage in case of groundnut, it is flowering, peck penetration, and pod development. Question number 21. What is the maximum pattern of financial assistance for procurement of power tiller about 8 power ton or HP for SC, ST, small and marginal farmers or women farmers? The options are 40% of cost, that is maximum of 85,000, 70% of cost, maximum of 85,000. Third option, it is 30% of cost, maximum of 85,000. Fourth, it is 50% of cost, that is maximum of 85,000. The last option is none of these. The correct option, it is 50% of cost, that is maximum of 85,000. It is the maximum pattern of financial assistance for the procurement of power tiller above 8 power ton or HP for SC, ST, small and marginal farmers. Question number 22. What is the pattern of assistance of below 20 bhp tractor driven moldboard plow benefits for others than SC, ST or women or small farmers or the marginal farmers. The options are 40% of cost, that is up to 1600. Option second, 60% of cost, that is up to 16,000. 48% of cost up to 16,000. Fourth option, it is 70% of cost, that is up to 16,000. And the last option, it is 10% of cost up to 16,000. The correct answer, it is 40% of cost up to 16,000. It is the pattern of assistant of below 20 bhp tractor driven moldboard plow benefits for others. Question number 23rd. What is the assistance for tube well or bore under National Food Security Mission? The options are 80% of cost, that is maximum of 25,000. Option B, 50% of cost, maximum of 25,000. Option C, 25% of cost, that is maximum of 25,000. The last option, it is 90% of cost, maximum of 25,000. The correct answer, it is 50% of cost, that is maximum of 25,000. Question number 24. GOI giving reclamation of problem soil under RKYVY. What is the unit cost per hectare given by the Government of India for reclamation of acidic soil? The options are 15,000 per hectare, 20,000 per hectare, 30,000 per hectare, 50,000 per hectare and 500 per hectare. And the correct answer, it is 15,000 per hectare. Next, question number 25. Volume of liquid which is handled by high volume sprayer. The options are more than 400 liter, more than 500 liter, more than 100 liter, 1000 liter, and the last option is none of these. And the volume of liquid which is handled by high volume sprayer, it is more than 400 liters. Question number 26. Field capacity of a tractor drawn power harrow is. The options are 5 to 6 hectare per day, 5 hectare per day, 10 hectare per day, 1.5 hectare per day, and the last option is 30 hectare per day. The correct answer, it is 1.5 hectare per day. It is the field capacity of tractor drawn power harrow. Question number 27. NABARD scheme for combined harvester life period as per the scheme is. The options are 5,000 hours, 6,000 hours, 1,000 hours, 20,000 hours, and the last option is none of these. The correct answer, it is 6,000 hours. Option B, it is the correct answer, and it is the life period of combined harvester as per the NABARD scheme. Question number 28. Nitrogen contained in calcium ammonium nitrate. The options are 12%, 25, 18, 30, 46. And the nitrogen contained in calcium ammonium nitrate, it is 25%. Question number 29. According to National Horticultural Board, which of the following having lowest productivity, that in tons per hectare in 2017-18? The options are flower crops, cash crop, vegetable crop, medicinal plants, fruit crops. And the correct answer, it is medicinal crops. So according to the National Horticulture Board, the medicinal plants, they have the lowest productivity, that is in expressed in tons per hectare in the year 2017-18. Next, question number 30. In which of the following river estimated utilizable surface flow water is low? The options are Ganga, Narmada, Yamuna, Mahanandi, and Alaknanda. The correct answer is Narmada. In Narmada river, the estimated utilizable surface flow water, it is low. Question number 31. In RBI guidelines, what is the maximum limit of loan to SC or ST? The options are 1 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh and 50,000. The correct answer it is 1 lakh. Means according to RBI, the maximum limit of loan to SC or ST it is 1 lakh. Question number 32. Which of the following is having the lowest seed replacement rate, that is SRR? The options are gram, wheat, maize, soybean and groundnut. The correct answer it is groundnut. In case of groundnut, there is a lowest seed replacement rate. Question number 33. What is the maximum storage period of commodity in rural godown? The options are 8 months, 10 months, 15 months, 20 months and 24 months. The correct answer it is 10 months. It is the maximum storage period of commodity in rural godowns. Question number 34. What is the maximum capacity of utilization in rural godowns? The options are 20%, 30%, 50%, 90% and 100%. The correct answer it is 90%. It is the maximum capacity of utilization in rural godowns. Question number 35. What is the capacity of medium size godown? The options are 3,000 to 4,000 metric ton, 5,000 to 5,500 metric ton, 2,000 to 220 metric ton and 100,000 metric ton and 2,000 metric ton. The last option is none of these, and the capacity of medium size godown it is 500,000 metric ton and 2,000 metric ton. Question number 36. Cankerous spots on leaves it is occurred by. The options are wilt, downy mildew, citrus canker, powdery mildew and bacterial canker. The last option it is the correct bacterial canker. Question number 37. NABARD has formulated fish cum dairy scheme for 1 hectare farm. What is the expected grow out period of fish for the project is? The options are 1.5 years, 2 years, 5 months, 8 months and the last option is 11 months. The correct answer it is 11 months. Question number 38. NABARD has formulated fish cum dairy scheme for 1 hectare farm. What is the number of crossbreed cows as assumptions? The options are 5, 8, 15, 20 and 25. The correct answer it is 5. Question number 39. Which of the following it is medium to high irrigation sensitive crop? The options are wheat, soybean, potato, jute and rice. The correct answer it is wheat. It is a crop which is medium to high irrigation sensitive. Question number 40. Which of the following is high irrigation sensitive crop? The options are cabbage, dhencha, urud bean, moong bean and the last option is all of these. So from this option cabbage is the crop which is high irrigation sensitive crop. Next question, question number 41. Which greenhouse classification it is based on construction? The options are even span type, polythene covered, glass covered greenhouse, wooden frame structure greenhouse and the last option is all of these. The correct answer is wooden frame structure greenhouse. It is classified on the basis of construction. Question number 42. Which greenhouse classification it is based on covering material? The options are even span type, lean-to type, glass grazing greenhouse, active cooling greenhouse and last option is all of these. The correct answer it is glass grazing greenhouse. It is classified on the basis of its covering material. Question number 43. The maximum storage period of commodity in rural godowns. The options are 5 months, 10 months, 18 months, 24 months and 36 months. The correct option it is B, 10 months. Question number 44. the minimum age of individual category for Nari Shakti Puraskar? The options are 45 years, 35 years, 25 years, 20 years, and the last option is 50 years. Correct answer, it is 25 years. It is the minimum age of individual category for Nari Shakti Puraskar. Question number 45. Nari Shakti Puraskar guidelines, they were revised in. The options are 2017, 2016, 2019, 18 and 2020. The correct option is B. In the year 2016, the Nari Shakti Puraskar guidelines were revised. Question number 46. In India, how many districts they are covered under lead bank scheme? The options are 200, 700, 665, 714 and none of these. The correct option is 714 districts they are covered under lead bank scheme in India. Question number 47. According to National Horticulture Board, which of the following is having the highest productivity in tons per hectare in 2017-18? The options are cash crop, legumes, vegetable, flower crops and medicine fruit crop. The correct option is option C, vegetables. According to National Horticulture Board, the vegetables they shown the highest productivity, whereas the medicinal plants they have showed the lowest productivity in tons per hectare in the year 2017-18. Question number 48. Godpox vaccination, it is released by which institute? The options are IVRI, ICR, IARI, CREDA and none of these. The correct option is first IVRI. Question number 49. In which of the following methods many plants with droopy or veiny growth habits can be propagated? The options are air layering, budding, veneer grafting, tip layering and none of these. The correct option it is tip layering. Question number 50. Which of the following causes damage inside the stem by borer in stem and feed them? The options are pink borer, top borer, termites, painted bug and pseudostem borer. The correct answer it is pseudostem borer. They causes damage inside the stem by boring in stem and feeding on them. Question number 51. In which of the following they causes gall formation of root? The answer is vascular arbuscular mycorrhiza, stem nematode, root knot nematode, leaf nematode and the last option is none of these. The correct answer it is root knot nematode. In case of this nematode they causes the gall formation of root. Question number 52. What is the rotary tiller RPM? RPM of rotary tillers. The options are 500 to 700, 180 to 200, 200 to 1000, 1000 to 2000 and the last option is all of these. The RPM of rotary tiller it is 180 to 200 RPM. Question number 53. Which of the following tillage operations which still system they'll use 15 to 30% of residue cover after planting of small grain residue equivalent to the critical wind erosion period? And the options are reduced tillage, zero tillage, conservation tillage, if tillage and none of these. The correct answer it is reduced tillage. So friends, here we have discussed the important memory based questions of the paper IBPS A4 2018-19. For more such videos, stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.